Hey boys and girls, so this week we're going to be talking about fractions. And fractions are when we divide something into parts, either a third or a half or a fourth. So the first paper we're going to do this week is about talking about dividing shapes into fourths. So if I say that I'm dividing something into a fourth, that means whatever you have is going to be put into four pieces that are equal. So the first part of our assignment says color 1/4 of each shape. So since there's four parts, I'm only going to just color in just one of these parts like this, okay? So we're just coloring 1/4. Let's make this dot a little smaller so it's not going outside of so much like this, okay? So we're just taking each one and coloring 1/4 of it. Okay, one more like this. Perfect. Now on the second part, what we're going to do is we're going to pretend like we're cutting each object into fours. So pretend that you have a donut and you want to share it with your friends. And there's four of you. So we're going to cut it in half this way and in half this way so that there's four equal parts for everyone. Now the next one, we're going to do the same thing again. We're going to cut it into four equal parts. So there's lots of different ways that we could do this, but the easiest one is just like this, four equal parts. Okay? How do you think we should cut this ladder into four equal parts? We could probably just do it the same way we've been doing the other ones. We'll cut it in half this way. And then there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different steps. So if we want 1, 2, 3, we could cut it like right there. And then if I look at the next one, we'll cut this piece of candy. We could cut it into four equal parts like this so everybody would get a piece of candy. And the last one is a flower. We want to cut it like this way and then this way. Very good. Nice job. Fractions aren't too bad, right? I'll give you a smiley face for that first part. Now we're going to turn the paper over on this side and we're going to follow the rule. We see these in Dreambox. This is -10. So we're going to take whatever number is on the first side and we're going to -10. So if I have 35 and I -10, I'm going to end with 25. Okay. So we're just looking at the 120 chart and we're finding the number and going up one row. So find 47 and then go up one row and it is 37. Okay, very good. So if we start on 21, we're going to go up one row and we end with 11. Okay, so it's very simple. On each of these boxes, I just want you to follow the -10 rule. And then when you're done, I want you to show your teacher and do what you need to do next.